Good morning, children. Today we will solve our exercise. Check your progress. Here given that problem first. In a right angle triangle, the angles other than the right angle are. So you know that in a triangle, the sum of three interior angles is equal to 180 degree, and one angle also right angle 90 degree. Then remain both angle is acute angle. Okay, so here option number second is true. Option number second is true. Again given that in a triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Your option number first is true because you know that the sum of three angle of any triangle is equal to 180 degree. Again given that problem number 3, which of the following cannot be the sides of a triangle? So you have to check these three sides by PT rule. Again given that problem number 4, least number of possible acute angles in a triangle is. So least number of possible acute angles in a triangle is 1. One angle is also acute angle. Okay. Again problem number 5 given that in a right angle triangle ABC, if angle B is equal to 90 degree, BC is equal to 3 cm and AC is equal to 5 cm, then length of side AB is. Here given that in triangle ABC, problem number 5, suppose that any triangle ABC given that in which right angle triangle ABC, angle B. This is angle B, this is A and this is C. This is 90 degree. Then what will be the value of angle A and angle C? So the value of angle A and angle C, if angle BC is equal to given that 3 cm, this is 3 cm and AC is equal to 5 cm. Okay. So from here, the length of side AB, you have to find out side AB length. You know by PT rule AB is equal to under root AC square minus BC square. Okay, from here given that AC is equal to 5, then 5 square minus 3 square is equal to 25 minus in centimeter given that. Okay, 25 centimeter in under root. Then AB is equal to 5 by 25, then square root of 25 is 5 centimeter. Okay, so AB is equal to also 5 centimeter. Oh, sorry. Here we have to subtract. Now given that 25 minus 9 centimeter, then 16 centimeter. Then AB is equal to given that AB is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, so this is the solution of your problem. Here option number 3rd. Option number 3rd is true. Okay. Again given that problem number 6, if three sides of a triangle are 4 cm, 2 cm and 6 cm, then it is a scalene triangle because no the side is equal other sides. No sides is equal other sides. So this is scalene triangle. In problem number 7, given that Pythagoras theorem can be applied in. So Pythagoras theorem only can be applied in right angle triangle. We already told all of you that in right angle triangle you can use Pythagoras rule only right angle triangle. Again in part B, fill in the blanks. Given that problem number A, problem first, in an acute angle triangle all of the angles are less than 90 degree. Okay, because in acute angle triangle all the angles of the triangle is acute. Okay, are acute. Second, the measure of each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Okay, the measure of each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree because you know that in equilateral triangle three sides of the triangle are same. So if the side are same, then the angle also are same. Okay. Again in part 3 given that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles of the triangle. Okay. Again in problem number 4, you have to fill in this sum of the length of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side, then also you can form any type of triangle. Otherwise you cannot form a triangle if the measure length of two sides of the triangle is less than the other side, first one side of triangle, then you cannot form. Okay, so you have to fill in fourth, greater than. Here we raise this. Now again, so first of all, in filling the blanks, you have to fill in part B first 90 degree, and in second 60 degree, and in third interior, and in fourth greater. Okay, you have to fill this. And again we have to solve problem number third C. Problem number C given that first problem, find out in which of the following cases a triangle is possible. Here given that angle A is equal to 100 degree, angle B is equal to 70 degree, and angle C is equal to 20 degree. Then first of all we add these angles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Then we get from here 100 degree plus 70 degree plus 20 degree. Then we get 190 degree. So this is not a triangle. Okay, because you know that the sum of trio interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree, and here 190 degree is 10 degree less than 180 degree. So this is not a triangle. You cannot form in this condition any type of triangle. Again, given that B on the basis of sides, given that 15 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and 15 centimeter. So this is an isosceles triangle. This 15, this 15, and this is 6. This is equal to this. Okay. So you can form in this case. Again, in C you have to use Pythagoras theorem. 25 square is equal to 12 square plus 8 square. Then 144 plus 64 is equal to 625. So 4 8, this does not equal to. And again you have to also check in problem number 2, you have to find the value of x, y, and z in the following figures. So next day we also solve this, and now time is over. We stop our writing. Remaining problem we solve next day. Thank you children. Thank you.